Hey, it's Saul with the Stock Market Trading Watch List for Wednesday, September 21st, 2011. Let's take a look at some indexes and some stocks. SPY video up on the blog. We tried to break out. We couldn't. So go to the blog and see what I have to say about that. NASDAQ 100 pushed higher, came a little shy of this 78.6% retracement, and still finished up above the 200-day for the third day in a row. So watch this on any residual push higher into the FOMC on Wednesday, 2:15 p.m. announcement. Let's take a look at the Russell. Yeah, not good. Wow. Russell just acting like total crap. Down 1 3/4%, broke down out of the consolidation. This is not good. Okay, the small caps acting like this is not good. If by some chance this turns around on Wednesday, we get a push up, keep watching that 50-day moving average for potential resistance. So here's my analysis. This current cycle of consolidation, or the small little bounce here, appears to be coming to an end across the market, not just here on the Russell. But the fact that the Russell is leading, it's not good. I mean, the NASDAQ 100, just a little confusing that it's acting. I mean, it didn't act strong on Tuesday, but overall it's obviously outperforming, so that's giving a little bit of confusion to things. But the fact that the Russell moving lower like this, not a good sign. So I'm going to be watching if there is any residual strength off that FOMC announcement to see how we act into the key resistance zones. But right now it doesn't look so hot here, and it looks like we will be retesting those lows sooner than later. Semiconductors didn't have a good day either, but watch these moving averages may come in at least to slow things down. Banks. All right, just not looking so hot here. Can grab some lines and throw them on here. Look like it broke down yet. Oh, I could be force fitting it, right? Let's see. I always like to double check whenever I do trend lines to see if I'm just force fitting it in. Let's see. No, I mean, that's probably legitimate. All right, so that's not looking so hot. Broker dealer. I went over these yesterday, not really much to say other than what I already did. So let's look at some stocks. Okay, some stocks saw some late distribution after being up. Okay, here's Apple. I mean, this is about as bearish of a reversal candle as you can see. Obviously, if it goes above this high, then it's a pattern failure. Still got this number up here, 436.31 next, if it were to do that. Okay, but this is not really a good looking candle. Now, does this mean this is the top? I've been reading some message boards and some blogs, and oh, it's the top of Apple. I don't know. I mean, for now, you know, this thing has really been resilient. I had that monster day on Monday, so you know, let's see if this gets confirmed and if we pull in here. Okay, I mean, we're pretty stretched here from the moving averages, so I'll pull back down to this 450, down to these moving averages. You know, would still be in the normal, the normal occurrence in a bull market here. I mean, at least for the stock, right? At least the stock would be in a bull phase or a bull market here. But for now, it looks like it wants to rest. Amazon, okay, this was the big day on Friday, and then we didn't even fill the gap here. The market was rallying, but Amazon didn't even go. So, got pretty cracked here. Watch the support down here at 227.45, and then the moving average is there. CMG also had a big day to the upside on Monday, like Apple did. And let's make sure I have the right, like Apple did. Wow. And you can see CMG had the reversal candle also. Another pretty bearish looking candle. So watch the 50% retracement down there, 326. And of course, if the high gets taken out, watch for 350 to get tagged. All right, Goldman. I mean, it just looks like it wants to fall out of bed. RIM looks like it wants to go into the teens here sooner than later. Okay, Monsanto. Somebody wanted me to look at Monsanto. Kind of the same as pot, right? It's just caught up on the moving averages here. Not really doing much. Potash was caught up, but had the nice impulse to the downside. Who was the person that bought the puts up here? One of my viewers bought the puts and wrote me about it. Great grab. I don't know if you're still in it or you out of it Friday. I think you still made money even if you were out on Friday. O'Reilly Automotive. Okay, first sign of weakness here. The reason I bring this up is somebody talked to me via email about getting some puts here, and I was saying that it was a real strong move, which it was. Now it's trying to pull in here. So depending on where you caught the puts, this could be a nice one if it gets a dip for you. What else? I had one, Electronic Arts, I think it was. Yeah, Electronic Arts had the doji above the moving averages. So, in and of itself, hey, we're above the moving averages. That's bullish. But the doji and the fact that it just can't get going to the upside here. All right, we'll throw a Fibonacci grid up. You can see it rejected the 78.6. So watch for a little bit of weakness there. It's not a big mover. So, if you're not looking for these big giant movers like Google, okay, who tagged its 50-day, came shy of the 200-day, also a reversal candle. All right, LinkedIn. Okay, looks like it's ready to roll over here. I think we retest these lows at a minimum, if not these lows down here. Ren. Unbelievable. The super guru calling this one on the open. Oh, we're going to kill it. It's going to go right to 50. Yeah, 50 cents maybe, or 5.50, right? Not good. Not nice looking here at $5.50. So watch that one. Be very careful. Let's look at the Chinese stocks like Baidu here. Okay, we broke out to the downside of this little consolidation on Monday, and then Tuesday, volatile candle. Check out Cena. Wicked move. Okay, and this is the person that asked me if Cena was in a bull flag. That's what I was saying. This is not a bull flag. Okay, it's in the middle of the range. So that's not, the bull flag failed. No, it's just ugliness. Right? So we were watching this one, and it gapped up above the entry by a couple of cents, and then got walloped. So watch the downside here now at 82. All right, and then what else was I going to look at today? Somebody, I think, okay, that's right. I always, sorry about that. I always, okay, so let's watch A. Looks like it's in a bear flag here. Watch the 50-day moving average. So that's it. Let's see what Bernanke, or the Bernanke, as that wonderful video says. Let's see what he has in store for us. See what the reaction is after the announcement at 2:15. Is QE3 coming in? Or is the Operation Twist coming in, or both, or neither? We'll see. Talk to everybody again on Thursday. Have a great trading day on Wednesday.